Welcome to the introduction of the CAP theorem. This theorem revolves around the trade-offs between consistency, availability, and partition tolerance in distributed systems. We will delve into each aspect to understand how they influence system design. The CAP theorem is defined by three key characteristics. First, consistency, where all nodes in the system see the same data at the same time. Second, availability, meaning the system remains operational and responsive at all times. Third, partition tolerance, ensuring the system continues to function even when network failures or partitions occur. The core principle of the CAP theorem states that you can only choose two out of the three properties: consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. In essence, you must sacrifice one to fully achieve the other two. Pick any two vertices of the triangle, the third must be sacrificed. CP systems prioritize consistency and partition tolerance. In these systems, strong consistency is paramount, even if it means the system may become unavailable during network partitions. Some of the examples of CP systems are MongoDB, Redis, and HBase. AP systems, on the other hand, emphasize availability and partition tolerance. These systems are designed to remain operational even during network partitions, accepting eventual consistency to ensure continuous service. Examples of AP systems are Cassandra, DynamoDB, and CouchDB. CA systems focus on consistency and availability, but they cannot handle network partitions. If a network split occurs, the system will fail to maintain both consistency and availability. Traditional relational database management systems, PostgreSQL and MySQL, are examples of CA systems. In real-world implementations, systems often tune their behavior based on detected network conditions. An adaptive behavior pattern involves favoring consistency over availability when a network partition is detected, returning an error response. Otherwise, during normal operation, the system ensures both consistency and availability, returning a consistent available response. Here are some key takeaways to summarize the CAP theorem. It forces architectural decisions in distributed systems. Choose your trade-offs based on business requirements. Modern systems often adapt dynamically to network conditions, allowing for flexible and robust architectures. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.